Greetings, interweebs, and welcome back to the studio. Real quick, if you are on YouTube, please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell so that you can get all kinds of reminders when videos post. But more so, if you are on Twitch, we got a couple of new features on the stream tonight. Oh, hey there! If you're on Twitch, we got a couple of new features on the stream tonight. You'll see that. What are you doing? You'll see that we've got a couple of new buttons down below in the sound alerts. So you can recommend anime, and we will watch them and turn that into reaction videos on YouTube. You can also recommend video games. What are you doing? You can also recommend video games that we will play on I got a boot. That we will play on Steam. Oh boy. We'll do that in a second. Let me get through the intro real fast. Okay, we're gonna wait for that to play out. You will get these redeems shortly, but we're gonna wait for those to play out for a moment. Okay. Anyway, yeah. If you hit the play video game button, we will play video games on Steam. 1 hour. What else? There was another button I just added. Can't remember what it is or what it does. Let me head over to Twitch and find out, because the other direction is the long way around. Okay, what was the other button? The other button was something or other. What's new going? I added, right, anime recommendation, Sega. What is the Sega? I gotta check that one out. Right. We added 4 new buttons, 2 text-to-speeches, English and Japanese. And we added a button for, what is, oh. And we added a button for, sorry, my metronome is acting up. And we added a button for playing video games and anime recommendations. So, I will play the video games requested. Or, well, I will play video games on Steam. I can't necessarily say I'll play the games suggested, but if you put them down in the Stumpy server, we will play them eventually, assuming our computer can handle it and we can afford it. As for the anime, we will watch whatever animes you guys suggest in certain orders. Duly noted, though, we only do these things for subscribers. So you do have to subscribe to get those to make those contributions, and the reason we're doing it that way is because we're trying to make it so that the viewers create the YouTube videos. The viewers create the stream. So it's going to be all kinds of fun, and I can't wait to get to it for y'all. We're going to run a quick 3-minute ad while I go retrieve the water for that hydrate, and then we'll do Rhythm no Jutsu after that. Okay. We're trying to fix this belt here real fast. So here's how this is gonna work. We're gonna draw this top line however we can. Once we get it drawn, we're gonna draw. Maybe we should start with this one then. I want a relatively consistent level of space between almost. There we go, that's what it should look like. Faster? Yes, always faster. I'm always trying to speed up a little. Now, should I add a shape like that to the border, or should I leave it alone? Leave the empty space or not? You guys decide. Well, you scared me again. Speedrun, woo, speed. Dork. Well, that's the objective, though, is we're trying to speed up. We're trying to get to the point where we can draw this kind of work in one 15-minute segment. Almost. Better. And there's some lines I will have to go back and clean up. But I'm hoping to have as few of those as possible. Not quite. There we go. Let's see here. Speed. Let's try to pronounce it. Speded. Sedoi Sundifg. Jidif Soivenek. I'm about to start adding stuff and changing my channel. Cool. Change away, bruh. Change away. That looks way better. But I'll like, there we go. See here. No. There we go. I need to square the tip of her middle finger a bit. Maybe even thin this finger out. Need to get a good ratio here. There we go. I don't know, I think her fingers are a bit too spread now. But I did try. That's the important part. Gotta clean up a few of these messy lines. I'll go back and clean up all of the messiness later, but for now, we're just trying to make it look okay. And we gotta extend this because we changed the drawing a little bit. That'll work. No, not quite. Because this isn't really supposed to be a corner. So the best move here is to just... Whoops. The back side should be flat though. Got 30 seconds to draw this last part. Alright, I guess that's gonna have to do for this one. We get a lot of detail in. We finally got our hand in this time. Alrighty, thank you everybody for watching. If you're on YouTube, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Hit that reminder bell so you get notifications when we post new content. If you want all this content way ahead of time and exclusive content that will never be on YouTube, head on over to the Twitch down below. Remember, if you translate that text on Twitch or on Discord, on Twitch or on YouTube, you get cool anime cutouts. So, or cool metal anime cutouts. So that's gonna be really cool, and you guys should give that a shot. We got a few new features. If you haven't done it already, hop on into the Discord where you can recommend anime for me to watch. And for those of you on YouTube, that will incite awesome future reaction videos. So definitely give a shot to that. If you haven't already done it, please hit the follow on Twitch, because that's where all the fun stuff happens. Also, if you are on YouTube and you pop on over to the Twitch, you get to, if you subscribe on Twitch, you get to, well, I only do the reaction videos for anime recommended by subscribers. So, yeah. It's to thank the subscribers for their contributions. Anyway, sorry about that. Anyway, I've rambled long enough, so thank you guys for watching. I will catch you in the next one over there. If you haven't already been to that one right there, go see it first. And subscribe is right there for YouTube. I did just mention the Twitch subscriptions. That's a whole different story. And I will catch you guys in the next one. I know I already said that, but I'm running out of things to say, so hasta la bye-bye.